Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use Smart Voice Memo on TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro. First of all, we have to swipe in from the edge of the screen and hold briefly in order to open the AI sidebar on the smartphone. Now we should find the microphone icon here. I don't see it, so let's tap plus and find it in here. It's called recording, so let's tap on it. Let's let it use everything on our phone, and now we can record a memo, so a reminder for ourselves in the future. So don't forget to buy milk on the way home. And now just tap OK to save the recording, and now we can check this recording within the Smart Voice Memo applications. We can also transcribe the memo quickly using AI. We can summarize it. We can create a mind map, although I don't think that we need to do this in this particular case. Let's see what it does with the transcription. And as you can see, it did its job pretty accurately, although I really just spoke some gibberish. So yeah, that's pretty much the entire feature I wanted to show you in this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.